So it is officially 2025, and as we talk about New Year's and sneakers and stuff like that, Nike's gonna be hitting us with the Kobe starting out the year, and it's gonna be the Kobe that you guys see on the screen. It is the Kobe 5 Year of the Mamba. Now this sneaker I seen quite a bit of picture surfaces a few months back, and I seen a red pair as well, but they're gonna hit us with this colorway first. And honestly, man, is 2025 gonna be the same thing when it comes to Kobe's? Like, what should we expect? Should I even be trying to go for the sneakers? Is the hype still there when it comes to Kobe's? Because, you know, last year a couple of Kobe sat around, but hey, let's talk about it.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get...
Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about a sneaker that will be dropping January 9th officially on the sneakers app, already loaded up. So I am super excited about it. But before we get up into this discussion, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. 2025, I have a lot of goals when it comes to the channel, a lot of things I want to do for you guys, and to further bring in the word of God. I really want to implement more things on this channel that's going to uplift you guys, not just talking about sneakers related stuff like that, help you guys get sneaker dubs, but I want to help you guys get spiritual dubs as well. The ultimate goal in this life is to make it to heaven, and that's what I want to help you guys do. And to make sure you guys don't miss any of that, make sure you got your notification bell turned on, and to be subbed up to the channel. Now today we're going to be talking about a Kobe 5 that will be dropping here in the very near future, and I'm kind of excited about it because I do like the Kobe 5 silhouette, and I like what they actually did to the sneaker. So let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so as you guys can see, if we're looking at upcoming on the sneakers app, Thursday, January 9th, we do have a Kobe 5 Year of the Mamba in the eggplant colorway that's going to be dropping. So as you guys can see, it's a Kobe 5. It's predominantly in that eggplant purple color, and you have this golden yellow snake that's wrapped around the black Nike swoosh. Now this snake is not just paying reference to the whole Mamba thing or whatever, but it's the Chinese New Year type thing, where the meaning of a snake within the Chinese zodiac means aggressive, killer, and all those things that it means for a snake within the Chinese zodiac represents Kobe Bryant. So they decided to do this on this sneaker. Now I do like the translucent clear bottom on these things. Like I said, Kobe 5 is a nice silhouette. As we look at the bottom of the sneaker, you see the gold Mamba logo right there. Going to the inner side of the sneaker, it is nothing there besides a black and gold swoosh, but you do see the little details in the eggplant colorway along the side of this sneaker. Looking across the top, you see the 8 and 24 on the inside, and that's the thing I love about Kobe. Nike's does their part when it comes to putting the stats and something paying homage to Kobe when it comes to the insole. So nonetheless, nothing no different on here. Got the gold Mamba logo on the tongue, black rope laces. I'm sure it's not going to come in any other laces, because these Kobe's don't come with any laces. As we continue on the back end, no branding, no Mamba logo that I can see on that back end at all. It might be a little bit of something engraved in the upper, and I do see some Chinese writing on the inside of the back end of the tongue as well. Let's see if it shows any more pictures of that. But just looking at this sneaker, super clean sneaker, man. I definitely want to add it to my collection. As far as sizing goes, when it comes to the Kobe 5, if you're interested in going for these, I would say go half a size to a full size up on these. They do fit kind of tight, but you could get away with true to size as well, but they're gonna be snug on you. You feel what I'm saying? Now again, dropping January 9th at 10 a.m. It doesn't say it's gonna be a draw, so this might be a first come first serve. You see that right there, super detailed. As I stated before, on the upper, it does have Kobe's logo in black on the back end, as you guys can see right there. And on the back end of the upper, it does have some type of texture material right there. It looks like it's in reference of some type of animal. Behind the tongue, I have no idea what this writing is. I'm just coming to you guys real quick to talk about this sneaker. I haven't done the research when it comes to that, but if you guys know, feel free to drop down in the comment section. You do get this red cinch bag right here with the 8 and 24 with the zodiac snake on there, and then a red box. So they do give us a different packaging when it comes to these things as well. Overall, $200. I don't know if that's why the packaging and stuff will change. We'll see if they do that if that's going to be the new norm for Kobe's. But $200 for Kobe's now, not just $190. So that means like your Elite 9s and stuff like that are definitely going to be in that $225 to $230 price range. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, will y'all be going for these? Also, how do you guys feel about this being the first drop of the year when it comes to the Kobe's? I ain't mad at them. I actually like this one, so I definitely will be trying to go for the sneaker. I know All-Star Break is coming up, so I know they got a whole bunch of Kobe's that's slated to drop. So we're gonna see what Nike does when it comes to the Kobe's. But I do wish each of you guys good luck if you're gonna be trying to go for these. Again, Happy New Year, and I hope 2025 bring a whole bunch of blessings, sneaker W's also, but just a whole bunch of love, blessings, and positivity in your life for 2025. As far as these sneakers, I'm telling you guys, they will sell out. These things will not be available, and the resale should be pretty decent on them as well. But man, I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.